What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Just working on a Kia. Third time I'm going to be replacing the axle. The axle itself is still good, but as you see, the boot exploded and it's been flinging grease everywhere, and I've been waiting and waiting to replace it, but it's going to be eventually where it's just going to go bad because there's going to be no grease in there, and I can replace just the boot, but for the price and the pain it is to replace the boot, I can just get a whole new axle. So I got a whole new axle I'm going to slap in there, and this shock is bad, so this whole strut assembly I'm going to replace with this one. I've already done a pretty good video on replacing the axle, the CV axle, so I'm just showing you what I'm doing today. Pretty much it. I'm not going to really go too in depth in on it. You know, I got the spindle off and everything. If you want to see the other video that I already did, you can go check that one out. I'll put a link in the description below. And then to replace this, it's pretty simple. You just take off the brake lines, you unbolt that, and there's 3 bolts up top to the top of it, and that bracket you just remove, and now slide right out, slide a new one in. It's pretty simple, just tedious. I got my fuel pump, should be in for the Mustang today, so that'll be the next video, I hope. Alright, I got everything on. Everything seems to line up pretty good. I had a little problem with the C-clip with the new CV axle. The C-clip, if you see, it was pointed up in 2 spots, and it wouldn't allow it to click in inside the transmission. So I took off the C-clip that goes right here from the old one, put it on the new one, popped right in, and I fought it for like an hour, and I knew that's what it was, and I tried to bend this one, but I couldn't bend it at all. So I got it in there. I'm gonna go ahead and wash up because I'm filthy, and take the car for a spin, see how it is. Alright, as you see, I got the Mustang back in the garage, got the Kia out of the garage, took it for a drive. Everything that I replaced seems to be doing good. The car still has a little shake, about 70-80 miles an hour, so I noticed the end links were getting a little worn out, so at least the one on this side that I was working on. So I'm going to go ahead and probably order those and replace those probably one of these days. That was the 3rd time replacing that axle on that same side. So there might be an issue, an underlying issue somewhere. Could be the wheel hub assembly, I don't really know yet. Everything seemed fine. I did the shake test on the wheel after I jacked the car up, and everything there seemed good, so I don't know. But I'm going to replace the end links, and I'm going to get 2 new front tires for that car. So the car's been riding not perfect. The tires have been wearing a little bit. So I'm going to do that and get an alignment and see how everything is. The car's definitely going to need an alignment. And then I got my part. It's going to be going in the Mustang hopefully pretty soon. And you guys will be seeing that hopefully within the next few days. Depends how long I wait to do it. Should be fun though. I don't really need the new fuel pump, but I want to make sure everything's working good. I don't know, how great that fuel pump that's in there is working. I haven't really tested to see. I could find out, but for the price of this one, I might as well just go ahead and replace it. This is just like a little weekend video, nothing real important. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and check out some of my other videos. If you haven't already, give this video a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next video to come. As always, till next time, peace.